Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. Now we are going to look at Shalabhasana, how to practice this. As I've always been telling you that every detail about this asana is been explained in your guide. So please refer for all the other details to your guide. And I'm going to show you the practical of Shalabhasana right now. So this asana is done in prone position. That means we lie down in on our belly. So I'm going to lie down on my belly. So you can take any posture just to lie down. Hands next to your arm, next to your body. Chin on your mat. Both legs are joined. From here, slowly bring your hands under your thighs so that you can support this pose. Slowly exhale, and while inhaling, lift both the legs up like a locust or Shalabhasana. Breathe normal. Hold as much as possible. Slowly bring both the legs on the floor, arms next to your body, and slowly get up. So that is your Shalabhasana. Happy practicing.